So we went and did what we had to do. We came back now. We also, huge shout out to my friend Billy who reached out. He posted these for sale. I just had to get them. MD Battles, if you know what they are, they're extremely hard to come by nowadays. He just so happened to be selling this set, so I had to pick it up regardless or not. But we're gonna see how it looks on the Z. We're gonna clean them up and yeah, let's try them out.
One hour later.
So, let them dry off. Here's how they're looking. It's okay though. We're literally just gonna throw them on the car for now. But actually, let's go and test fit and see how they actually look.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I literally went ham today and put in a lot of work in a little amount of time. I was very efficient with the time. I did spend it over all day, but I did a lot of other things too as well. So for today, I washed the car. I went out, I had to do the paperwork like we talked about earlier. I also ended up going to go see my friend Billy, got some wheels from him, as you also saw. Then on top of that, I decided to run over to storage to go grab something else that I had in just chilling, and I actually mocked it up on the car to kind of see how it would look. So why don't we take a look at that? So overall, here's the car, here's how it's sitting. We did put the main B's on. I took the caps off because for some reason they don't really sit well with the caps, so I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do that going forward, because I really do want to run the caps. Obviously, we know about this whole issue of not having a window. However, wash the car down. It still has its spots. I didn't wipe it down. I just let it dry on its own. So maybe that's why, but who really cares right now? Leave them on the back as well. If you want to know the secret to this camber, leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll try to answer it in the next video for sure. Because there's a secret technique, and it's even better on the other side than it is on this side. It's actually free if you really think about it. Also, did the tail lights yesterday. We talked about that earlier, but this is the secret. It is the KVD duck lip spoiler. So I figured I got a good deal on it. I literally got it for like $80. So it was a steal for me. It's never been painted. It's never been mounted either. Even though I just have it mocked up with some tape. But literally that's how it looks all the way around. So it's a really clean look. Definitely gonna have fun. You know, like I said, it was a steal, couldn't resist it. This is the better side of the overall looking car because you have the window, of course. But here it is. The secret to this, you gotta the secret to this camber right here, free camber at that with $0. Stay tuned for the next video, like I said. But overall, we did put all wheels on. So yeah, it's up there. They're all there, which is not bad. Like I said, I got a good deal on the Battle, and yeah, this is a car. I mean, this is how it looks for now. Obviously, we have plenty of stuff coming in. I also have plenty of stuff on hold because I was waiting for us to get into the shop. But clearly, I couldn't wait to do all of this, which is why it's done now. So I'm actually gonna give you probably a better angle on the car, if you will, which would probably be that angle right there. It sits really nice. Obviously, we got coilovers, we got plenty of stuff that we have to put on the car, so that's why you're not seeing it. Be sure to stay tuned because we also have some pretty cool stuff coming up. Yeah, overall, that's pretty much how it all went today. Like I said, I probably put in a good maybe like hour and 15 minutes in total into working on the car. I mean, I love the way it's looking now. Like, we're only going up from here. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And I don't know what I'm gonna say. I forgot what I was saying. I haven't done this in so long, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm just curious as to what was driving by. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you guys later. Peace.
What's poppin'?